Okay, so we're gonna do a little practice run here with our paint. We've got our drop cloth. You guys will have that tablecloth. We've got our paper. Now, Henry, can you put the cup, let it go, and see? Don't spin it. Just let it go and see where it hangs in the middle. Because once we hang ours, now Henry, let go. Once we get ours set up with our dowel or broomstick, and we're hanging it from our chair, we want the cup to hang in the center of the paper. Now, if you notice, I'm hanging mine from the light strings up here, and you guys can be hanging yours from the broomstick or the dowel, chairs, whatever you can think of. My son Henry's gonna spin this now. Now, when you see him let it go, you're gonna notice he doesn't give it the biggest spin in the world. He lets it spin just so that it's gonna be going just outside the paper, but we don't wanna waste paint, and we don't wanna get it everywhere around the house. So let's see how you do this, Henry. Give it a spin. Oh, that's perfect. Now this is a practice one because there's water in the cup and we haven't poked a hole in the bottom. But as you can see, with a similar amount of paint water mixture in there, it's going to be a really cool pendulum painting. So our next step is to dump out the water, poke a hole in the bottom, fill it with our paint water mixture, and see how it works.